Hey guys, Luke here. In today's short video, just wanted to show you this brand new vinyl player that I've picked up. This one is from Technica. It is the LPW40WN. So basically guys, I've wanted to get back into vinyl. I had vinyl as a kid. I grew up with vinyl, and I really wanted to kind of step back into using vinyl because the audio quality is so good. And there's something very nostalgic about owning a vinyl player. So this particular model, as you can see, it is really nice. So it has like actual proper wood, and it will play both the 33 and 45s. The actual arm itself is very, very high quality. The needle, also really high quality. And personally, I just think this record player looks really, really nice. Now, putting it together was very simple. Basically, guys, in the instructions here, when you get it, it's going to look like this. So it's just basically a flat piece of wood. There's this little thing sticking up here. You take the plate and you need to put the belt over this little guy here. And that's very simple. There's a piece of ribbon. You pull the ribbon, you put it over this drive belt here, and then you slide that into place. Once you've done that, there is this mat here that will sit on top of this, and then that's what your vinyl actually sits on top of. These little guys here, that's what makes the plastic, plastic cover go up and down, and they just slide into place at the back here. So very, very simple. Took me probably, I reckon, about 15 minutes to set it up. Just because I was sort of taking my time to do it properly. One little thing I'd probably mention is just make sure you don't twist the little belt that runs around this metal plate here. Otherwise, it's not going to work, and the actual turntable part will not turn properly. So all in all, guys, very, very impressed. It's an excellent piece of hardware. Sounds amazing, looks amazing. We've got a really nice TV unit that's a very similar wood grain, and I think it really fits the part. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.